Yun guys, happy morning sa lahat. We have a very good sunny day. Today is Sunday, April 26. Time check 10 o'clock. Ang ride natin ngayon is visit lang sa aking lola na mag-birthday. So advance celebration to kasi 28 pa talaga yung birthday niya. Dang hari. Let's go. Hindi tayo masyado nakakapag-ride ngayon kasi busy. Tsaka mainit kaya palagi tayong kotse. So samahan niyo lang kami sa aming biyahe. Alright. Soma Market. Bagong yata yung hospital dito, UniHealth Southwest Hospital. Amoy longganisa ang aking hininga. The best combination, longganisa at kape. Ang hari siguro masyadong traffic ngayon kasi Sunday. Babing ako later guys. Okay, Dang Hari Alabang. Tapos pasok tayo ng Madrigal para makalabas tayo ng Crimson Hotel. 10:30 time check. Isang oras lang siguro ang biyahe mula pag-alis namin ng alas 10. Sana maraming foods, quality. Ayala Alabang Village. Yeah, bili tayong butas. Laki nito ah. Matamis na ba ito? Matamis na?
pula na.
Okay, hindi ako. Kano to isang ganito?
100 po isang kilo.
Okay. Yeah.
Ito ba? O ito mas malaki?
Ito lang. Pwede bang ano, hatiin na sa ano? Alright, kabili tayo ng malaking pinya. Pakwan. Thank you. Parking na lang usapan dun. Whew. 11 o'clock sakto. Ay, 11:08 na pala. We're here in Country Homes, Alabang. Alright. Here we are. Saan Keljo po? Kanya yung avancer, no? Doon kasi nilagay sa likod, di ko alam kung pwede. Kapagalitan naman.
Wala, hindi pwede, lahat di pwede.
Lahat pwede.
Oo.
Magsasorry na.
Hindi umalis eh.
Sorry na lang po.
Hindi sila sa park out.
Did you bless na? Did you bless na sa lola? It's lucky.
Uy, sorry, hindi kita nasabihan. Sabi ko pa naman, a-advise kita.
Sininang tas po nagsabi sa amin.
5 days lang to,
Yeah,
5 days pa lang pag-usapan mo.
Talaga po?
Oh, hindi naman sa plano. Bakit? 5 araw lang na. Kasi tinanong niya ako anong ganap sa birthday ni Lola. Sabi ko wala pa akong naririnig. Talimutan mo na siya. Tapos sabi ko advice kita pag meron. Eh ako nagsimula nito, sabi ko niyaya ko, budol pa tayo.
Gusto ni lola? Lala.
Nag-hi na.
Lala?
Hi there.
Oo.
Ang ganda-ganda naman yan. Kako din.
Catch.
Cut!
Ay, camera.
Nasasakyan?
Hindi po, pang vlog ko.
Uy, baka naka-vlog ako dyan. Hindi
Yes.
ko naayos yung ano ko.
Sige, sige muna.
Huwag mo masasali dyan, ha? Mga panat ako. Ito nilang lamang ko sa mga kapatid ko.
Yun na lang.
Wala si Martes. Andiyan na, parating.
Okay, so done with our first task for the day. Birthday ng lola, check. Now we're going to Manila, specifically Luneta Park. Mag-observe tayo ng palit ng guards yung series mamayang hapon. So pas tayo ng SLEX mula dito sa Muntinlupa. Sa ano to, nakalimutan ko yung entrance dito ng SLEX. Ano ka pangalan ng Susan Heights. May traffic lang sa stoplights, pero yeah, okay naman. Time check 2:08. 2:08, yeah. Grabe, tingkad ng araw. Okay, 216 SLEX tayo, southbound going to Manila. Pinag-i-skyway ako. Hindi ako mag-skyway. Northbound to Luneta. Tandadal lang mga anak ko. Alright, 2:30. Pasay na tayo. Hey. Sorry. Wait for mommy, Bobby. Wait for mommy.
Sasakyan mo, Melby. Yung brown ata na iyoba.
Maroon? Brown?
Yung brown.
Yan?
Parang yung tabs ito. Itong tatlo. Parang tabs ito po.
Yung Innova na brown?
Oo. Kami ate.
Parang yan nga.
Ayun sila. Nakatulad ko ng damit.
Ayun. Ba't ikaw di nakatuck in?
Hindi, ang hirap ito.
There, follow mommy. Bobby, Brin. You're gonna pabili daw. What's this? Trombone?
Galingan niyo mamaya.
So today, mag-o-observe daw yung school or yung mga criminology students ng school ng asawa ko. So dito kami ngayon, gala na rin.
Ano na sila, ma'am? Andun sila lahat. Kasama sila nila, ma'am Mendy. Saan sila banda? Doon, ma'am. Sa harap na. Ikaw mag-ano? Magna-narrate? Ayaw mo? Ayaw mo ako? Gusto mo ba, ma'am? Ayaw ko, baka Bisaya. Diyan muna mamaya yung mag-chill. Punta doon sa Japanese garden. Doon na wala pa eh.
Sige. 30 minutes pa. Asa may entrance ata yan?
May entrance? Oy?
Diyan ka lang po naman dyan. Pag nag-entrance ka dyan, pwede ka bumalik, labas, balik. This is the spot. This is the spot where the three martyrs, their names are Jose Burgos, Mariano Gomez, Jacinto Zamora, were executed. They were killed here on the spot.
So, where are the people?
They're not buried here. They're just punished here. Their punishment is killed by the rifle. Yeah, there.
How were they killed?
Rifle, boom.
So, what did they do to get punished?
Where's the electric fan? Where's the electric fan? Say hi.
Ang init pa, no? Mag-commute kayo? Masasakyan po. Magpahatid na, kapasay ko lang. Saan kayo nag-park? Doon po sa likod. Bago mag-entrance. Daanan nga pala rin yung Daddy, what did the people do to get punished?
They helped the rebels fight the Spaniards.
You mean they're bawal to do that?
No, the Spaniards are enemies because they conquered the Philippines. Now, those rebels are people who fought for our country. Now, those three priests, Gomez, Burgos, and Zamora, they helped the rebels.
You mean they have the enemies?
No, they have the heroes of our country. That's why they have a monument.
So that's what they do to get punished?
Yes, they were punished by the enemies.
Bali, ang una po mamaya mag-change of guards muna po doon. Tapos sa kami marching po. I mean,
Pasok tayo ng Chinese Garden dito sa Luneta Park.
punish the student?
Brian, carry? You want carry, Brian? Carry kita? Pahawa mo to. Yeah!
Daddy! Punish this?
Kiss daddy. Love you.
Yeah, Bill.
Are you happy?
Yeah, Bill! Here. Here.
You want to go down? Come here.
Grabe.
Sabi ko pareho kayo na ano ah. Bobby, come here. Hindi anak ko. Is there fish? Yeah. Lalo ko? Look at the clock here. That's tacos. Ben.
Diba sa buong pamilya? Sumusuporta sa ROTC.
Yan.
Look, mommy, look, mommy. Babi.
Tawag nila ng commandant
Ben.
ng ROTC.
Ben.
Ah, wipe your face, ate.
Andre, look. Andre, look. 1, 2, 3. And then,
Mag-work din ah. Yung flower ka.
Ayun, may graduation na. Wala ka.
kailan yung last natin punta dito pa ito?
Malala nga eh.
Hindi, pumunta tayo dito kung sawa pa lang.
Hindi ko maalala yun, 2017.
Yung kanina.
After bago tayo kasal.
CR
Dito dito nagpunta. Ang naalala ko yung Baluarte.
Hindi pa ako tayo dito. Kasi po pumilit ako kasi sabi mo hindi ka pa nakapunta yung pala. Tapos habang naglalakad na tayo, kaya ito ang una. Dito pala kayo pupunta ni My Love. Tinulak ko kakatanong. Akala ko first time ba dito.
Gandang alaala nun.
Bye! Where are you going?
Haba naman. Doon nakikita niyo yung
Sinarado nila to eh. Tapos nung nanood kami ng silent drill dito kasi nag-observe kami. Nag ribbon cutting. Ito, binuksan na in public ulit. Parang last month lang yon, April. Ay, tama ba? April ngayon eh. Hindi, nung March pala.
February 28.
February 28. Ang next nating punta dito, May. Anong sir? Last Sunday of the month, ang May.
Okay. Sa
May. Sa cream. Anong date?
Parang basta katapusan din yun, ma'am.
88. Saan sila? Bye! Bobby! Gusto ba lang mag-silip-silip na dito?
Sabi ko nga, mas malaki pa yung isda natin sa kapsa. Di mo,
Buhaya kasi na ito.
mas kita pa nga natin yung mga isda.
Yung isda to tilapia. Just follow ate. Ate! Bobby! Wait for us. Come here. Not waiting for us, ah. Don't go so far away because the event might start na eh. We don't go so far away because the event might start na. Okay? Nothing. Just a camp, just a chair.
It looks like an olden days campsite.
Ano na matutuwa na? Hinga! Ano na na?
Come, Bryn.
Talo? Talo to?
Come. Come here. It's 30 there, it's 30. Here, that's it. Ate Bobby, wait for your sister. Hi, cat. Oh no, it's hot. It's hot here. Oh, careful ah, don't jump in the water.
I think I'm gonna have a heart attack. Makaibon ka? Nagsigita?
Di ano sapatos. Pati sumama ko ngayon.
Oh, you want to go there? Ah, la, sige.
Tapos di na ako manghihirap.
The superior man is modern speech was his reaction.
Wala ang pasok. Every Sunday na kami.
Ah, picturean kayo. Picturean kayo. Ano tubig? Kay tatlo.
Oo.
Ito na, gusto ko yung akin. Closer, Bren. Closer. 1, 2, and 3.
Selfie daddy.
After the selfie.
Siya daw daddy.
Look here.
Ate, not yet done. Okay. Kami ayaw.
Hmm? Like that?
I want to do the position.
I want to swimming.
All right. So nasaksihan natin ngayon yung pagpapalit ng guard ng Jose Rizal Memorial Monument. Punta naman tayo ngayon dun sa open field para panoorin yung ano nga yun? Drill, silent drill. Takbo tayo, takbo. Oh, yun sila. Alright. Shoot naman natin.
Cadet Captain Rain S. Panes, Second Lieutenant Martin D. Flores. Today, we are reminded of the rich heritage of Bacoor, Cavite, a city with more than 3 centuries of history, resilience, and pride. Established in year 1671 during the Spanish colonial period, following its separation from Kawit, Bacoor was shaped by its principalia or noble families and early leaders such as Mateo Masacayan, its first gobernador civil. Historical records refer to the city as Bacol, Bacor, and Bacoor, meaning high ground, symbolizing strength and identity. During the Philippine Revolution, Bacoor briefly bore the name Gargano, reflecting the people's deep faith and courage in times of struggle. It played a significant role in the country's fight for independence, even serving as the capital of the revolutionary government under General Emilio Aguinaldo on July 15, 1898. Despite challenges, including the loss and eventual restoration of its town status during the American period, Bacoor has continued to grow and thrive, ultimately becoming a city in year 2012 while preserving its cultural heritage. In the same spirit of growth and service, Cavite State University Bacoor City Campus, headed by Ms. Mendelos S. Macalalan, has developed its National Service Training Program known as NSTP to cultivate leadership and civic responsibility among students. The NSTP runs through the leadership of Ms. Stephanie Embato. The NSTP journey in the campus began in year 2008 with the implementation of the Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS. In year 2015, the Reserve Officer Training Corps or ROTC program was introduced under the supervision of the Imus campus. And in year 2016, the Bacoor ROTC unit had attained the capacity to independently manage its ROTC program. Established under Republic Act No. 9163, the NSTP offers 3 components, which are ROTC for military training, CWTS for community engagement, and literacy training service for educational outreach. The program continues to be guided by the educational
Open. Say please me. Kiss Hunter. Hagak. Hoy.
Nice, natapos ang silent drill. Changing of guards and silent drill. Alright, nice. Nakapagluneta pa ang di oras. Parang Musileo. Musileo ba tagi ganito? So we're here inside the part of the park, Luneta Park, na ipapakita ng mga last minute din ng buhay ni Gato si Rizal. And this is my this is my big daughter, the eldest daughter. Say hi. Say hi, Bren. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Hi. That's my little daughter, Bren. Here, ate. Hala. Hala. Sige, sige. Dito kami sa loob. Yung sa may maraming statue ni Jose Rizal. Oh. Huwag ka dyan pumunta dito. Andito kami, ba may CR? Katapat na CR. O di kakain ka na dyan. Ano gagawin namin? Dito lang kami. Iniisip ko. Wala. Oh, it's Brain, come here. Come here, Brain. May nag-picture. Sorry. Oh, there na lang, there. Baka kasi malamok ate. Let's go there. Let's look for the playground na. Tatanong tayo sa playground ha.
But buy me a banana first. I maybe before
Yeah.
that,
Hmm?
before that let's go to the playground.
Now let's ask for the playground.
Huh?
Let's ask where the playground is.
Where? Who are you gonna ask?
The guard. Come here, Bran. Wait lang kasi mo kami iwan. Bran, come here.
Papa kape.
May kape?
Kape yan.
You sure? Wow. Later I will get a coffee. But there's so many people na pala.
You can enjoy there. If it's your anniversary.
Look, oh, roller skates, oh.
Here.
But you don't know how to use your roller skates, eh.
I'm gonna wait for mommy to buy me the shoes with wheels.
But you already have roller skates na.
Bakit ka dito? Bobby!
Bobby is here, oh.
Huh?
Nasaan dito may playground ng mga bata? Sa tawid? Okay, thank you.
Is she with daddy?
No. She said doon, tatawid. The journey for the playground. Let's go.
Pikachu.
Let's go. Kiss daddy. Kiss daddy. Love you. It's the Carabao. Look at the Carabao. Quirino Grandstand. Not carry? Carry you?
You?
Carry you? But you remove the tempered glass of my GoPro eh. Why did you remove it? They said it's around here. At the side.
Wow, great one! Wow, great one! Wow, great one! Wow, great one!
Do you see it?
Huh?
Do you see it? No? No, you're not seeing the playground? Let's walk. No, later na. Carry ka muna, daddy.
Daddy.
Oh, wait for us. Don't leave us alone.
Wow, great one!
Oh, be careful ha.
Huh? Huh?
Be careful.
Huh? Wow! Wow!
Go. Ha. Ate Abby, give me the water. Ready? Oh, your head. Look for your head, Brian. No, look. Oh, go up.
No!
Don't like? Don't like? Where do we go? There? How about here? Stand up. You want to slide?
Tayo, Mat. Mat.
Go. You're scared? Scared ka pala eh.